All right, let's do it. What did you do?
It's Tubi toys. Do you know that Tubi toys are out of this world?
Okay, Miss Whiskerelli, you're all set. Thank you so much, Sunny. Oh, you do such a great job. I'll see you next week. Okay, great. Next, who's next? Bye, Miss Whiskerelli. Bye, Sunny. I'm next, Sunny. Oh, Elastigirl Mash'em. What happened to you? Well, I was stretching out a little bit too much, and I turned into a Mash'em. Come on over in the chair. Make sure jiggly today. My hair's looking a little flat. If you could just help me out and give me a nice blowout. That's my specialty. You're gonna have to wash your hair over here. I have this special new shampoo and conditioner that I want to try on your hair. All right, let's do it. I'm trying out this new conditioner. It's in a spray bottle. It's really, really cool. I'm in your hands. I trust you.
Wow, that smells a little funky.
It does. Let me see what's in it. Oh no! I put the wrong conditioner in her hair. It's not even conditioner. It's bleach. Bleach? What? You put bleach in my hair? Oh no, this is not good. Let me rinse it off as much as I can. Oh, you're getting it in my eyes. Oh no! I'm so sorry. Please stop. Oh my gosh! Clumps of hair is coming out. Oh no! I am so sorry, Mrs. Parr. Please forgive me. Is it really bad? Mrs. Parr, it's not good. What did you do? I'm bald. I have no hair. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna make it work though. I can work my magic. Your magic? I don't have any more hair. What are you gonna do for me? I can style up something really, really, really cool, and your hair will grow back so super fast. I promise. This is terrible. How am I gonna face my husband, my children? Oh, I'm the face of all the supers. How can you do this to me? Don't worry, I'm gonna make it right. Let me think. What about this? Definitely not. I do not think so. That's okay. That's okay. We'll keep trying. We'll keep trying. I will make this right. I promise. I promise we'll make it right. Okay, I think I'm on the right track right here. So let me know what you think. Look in the mirror. Feel it out. Feel it out. It looks great on you. It doesn't even look like it fits on my head. Sunny, it's just hopeless. I'll just be bald. I'll be more aerodynamic. I'll be faster. It's okay. I accept my baldness. See, I'm okay with it. I am not taking that for an answer. I will make this right. Hold on, I have one more trick up my sleeve.
It can't get any worse.
All right, here it is. I think this is it. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's totally my color. I think Bob's gonna love it too. This is so great. I love it so much. I'm so glad. Honey, I'm here to pick you up. Bob, what do you think? Whoa, that looks great. Sunny is a genius. Thank you so much. I'll be back when my hair grows back and you can fix it for me, okay? You got it. Have a great day. Wait a minute. No, have an incredible day. Oh, she is just too much. Bye, Sunny. Bye. Bye. Have fun saving the world. Bye. Oh no, I tripped. Helen, what happened to your hair? Oh, Bob, it's a long story. This is crazy. You're bald. I know. But don't you just love my new hairstyle? I guess it'll have to grow on me. My hair's gonna have to grow on me too. Bye, Sunny. Bye, thank you. Well, that was a crisis averted.
I really have to be more careful, especially with my next customer.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. If you want to see more of Sunny Day videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Have a sunny day and an incredible day too. Bye.
Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.